Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your WhatsApp message is not delivered. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in situations like this, there are some couple of things that you should try. And the first thing is to check the internet connection if it's working properly or not. And if your internet connection is working properly, then the second reason for the problem might be the outdated app version of your WhatsApp. In order to solve this issue, just simply open either your Play Store or App Store application and search for WhatsApp into there. And if you see update button instead of this open icon into here, just simply update your WhatsApp application and try delivering the message, and the message will probably be delivered. And if it still doesn't solve your issue, just simply try to uninstall and reinstall your WhatsApp application, and after that your problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.